Hi, today I'm making a pecan praline zucchini bread. So I had the privilege of having this. My stepmother introduced this recipe to me. It's delicious. So we're going to begin with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of shredded zucchini. You want to make sure that that's fine. We're going to use a cup and a half of granulated sugar, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of table salt, as well as 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we're going to have 1 cup of canola oil or vegetable oil, 3 eggs. They don't have to be room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to spray our baking pan. So these are 2 loaf pans, and I'm just using vegetable spray for this. They're not even size pans, but this recipe does make 2 loaves. So in a bowl, we're going to combine the sugar, the oil, and 3 eggs, and the vanilla. And we're going to mix those well. And so as you can see here, I'm beginning to mix this batter, and it's a really bright yellow color, which will make a beautiful zucchini bread when we're done. So you want to just make sure all of the ingredients are mixed well. This is what it should look like. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our dry ingredients, the 3 cups of flour, the baking soda, salt, and we're going to mix that all together. Next, you're going to sprinkle some of the flour mixture into the batter and then begin to mix. You will alternate between mixing and then adding the flour to the batter. And so you're just going to keep alternating until all of the batter is combined. And you see what I'm doing here. The batter gets pretty thick, so you want to make sure that you scrape the sides of the bowl, and just to make sure that it's, it'll look like almost dough when you're done, right? So this consistency. And at that point, the batter is mixed, so we're going to add our 2 cups of zucchini to the batter as well. It looks like dough, but it's batter. Now, as you mix this, it'll get a little looser because zucchini has water in it naturally. And so you just want to fold this mixture until it is all combined. As you can see, it takes a little bit of arm muscle to get it all well combined, but this is what it looks like. We're going to set that aside and next make our pecan praline topping. So I chopped these pecans up, and it's a cup and a half of pecans, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I have them all in the bowl here. Now I'm also using a 1/4 cup of melted butter. I have a little bit of pecan dust on the butter, but I just put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. And then I'm going to return back to my prepared pans and actually add the zucchini batter to both pans. As you can see, I have added the melted butter to the pecan praline mixture. So we're just going to mix this well. And so that's what you're seeing me do right here. And once that is all combined, it should be pretty well combined. There shouldn't be very much loose sugar left. You're going to take that mixture and sprinkle onto both toppings of the zucchini bread. And then we're going to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes on 350 degrees When it's done, it looks like this. You can let it rest for 5 minutes and cut the warm slices, and this is what it looks like. And that is the pecan praline zucchini bread.